Hello, hi, namaste. My name is Jeevan Jyoti Biswal, and we just started a series that is nothing but Java with DSA. Okay, in the previous videos, we just covered something about Tori array. We just started talking about Pascal Tangle. Okay, now I am just going to cover another problem for the Tori array that is nothing but our called as multiplication of Tori array or matrix. We can say it is nothing but matrix. I don't know, it is nothing but a matrix multiplication. Let's analyze this problem first. After that, we'll moving towards the solving this problem by writing the code inside our not inside our browser, but we are going to use our nothing but Eclipse. Eclipse, we already know it is a something called as ID. Okay, we are just going to do all the things by using this. Okay, let's understand the problem first. Okay, let me. Okay, it is consider it is my one two matrix array I am given, or I can say it is a 2D array, two 2D array I am just given, having some input one, two. Let's consider it will be three cross three, 1 2 3. It will be having four. It is having something five, six, seven, 8, 9. It is having, let's consider one, three, two, one. Let me cut two, three. Yes, it is going to be three, one, two. Okay, let's consider it is my 2D matrix having 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, I'm just going to do something called as multiplication of the story matrix. Okay, let me do. I just want to do the multiplication. How I can do this multiplication? Let's do here. Okay, actually, let's understand here only. Okay, it is a position. It is nothing but the position 0 0 position. Okay, and it is the position of 0 1. It is 0 2. It is nothing but 1 0 1 1 and 1 2. It is nothing but 2 1 2 0 2 1 and 2 2. It is also similar like that kind of position are here. Okay, for the matrix multiplication, there is a formula. If my matrix is 3 cross 3, which multiplying with 3 cross 3, what will be my resultant matrix? It is nothing but my 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, it is nothing but my 3 cross 3 matrix. If I am going to do multiplication of the 3 cross 3 matrix, my resultant matrix will be 3 cross 3. Okay, how it is going to be? Actually, for my resultant matrix, it is going to be determined by this, by wiping these two. This is going to be my resultant matrix 3 cross 3. Okay, if I have a matrix, one is let's 3 cross 3, and another matrix is nothing but 3 cross 2, then my resultant matrix will be 3 cross 2 actually. Okay, 3 cross 2. That is nothing but my this is the formulas, mathematical normal terminal formulas for the matrix multiplication. Okay, how actually it is going to be work, let's understand this first. After that it will be easy for us to do this kind of equation. Okay, it is going to be a 3 cross 3 matrix. It is multiplying with 3 cross 3 matrix. Actually, it is a row and it is considered as columns. Okay, these are these three columns having three rows. Okay, we are going to multiplying this row, okay, with this column first. I am just whatever the formula will be, something like that only. I'm just writing here. Let me go to the next phase. Here I'm just going to write the formula, not the logic here. Okay, control A. Okay, I'm just creating a matrix. Let's consider one, two, three. Okay, let me put some extra space. One, three. It will be four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Okay, it is one matrix. Okay, let me copy this matrix and let me paste this. Copy this matrix. Okay, 1 second. Let me. Okay, let me copy this matrix. Let me create another matrix. It's another. Okay, here I'm just going to paste Control V. I'm just making bigger, nothing else. Okay, it is just arrangement of the something. Okay, nothing else. Okay, I want this positions. I just want to change. It will be 12. It will be 2. It will be let's make it 9. It is nothing but let's consider 1. It will be 15. Less it will be 6. Okay, it is better to be 6. Okay, it is 9 and it will be okay. This is the matrix of this is my one of the 3 plus 3 matrix. I just do one thing here. I just want the multiplication of the two matrix. These are the two matrix having 3 plus 3. Whatever the resultant matrix, it will be 3 plus 3. Means whatever the logic for this, okay, I am going to this row with this column, again this row with this column, and this row with this column. Okay, after that whatever the value I will get, that is nothing but my resultant matrix. Okay, that is nothing but my resultant matrix. Let's do this operation by here. Okay, here I'm just representing something. Okay, let me do something. Okay, replace a1. Okay, that will be fine. Sorry, that will be a0. Okay, let me make some. Okay, just one thing. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, I'm just getting another page. That will be fine. That will be fine. Control A, Control V. It is a0. Means it is indicating the position number 0. A1. It will be okay. A00. Okay, make it will be fine. A00. A01. It will be fine with A02. Okay, let me copy this. Control C. Okay, let me paste here. Control V, enter Control V. Okay, this is nothing but my one matrix. Okay, it will be position 1 0, 1 1, and 1 2. It is a position of 2 0, 2 1, and 2 2. Okay, let me increase some size. Okay, it is one matrix. I'm just going to means I'm going to solve this problem by giving some formula. Means I am just going backward to the problem. Okay, let me do this. Control V I just going to do. I'm just declaring it will be A, it is going to be B. Okay, let's do it. It will be B. I'm nothing else. I'm just going to be solve here. Okay, this is nothing but our matrix formula. I'm just going to show you. Nothing else. Don't be worried. Okay, these are my two matrix. Okay, I'm just going to do the operation for the mathematic matrix. It is called nothing but matrix multiplication. Let's do here. For the matrix multiplication formula is something for a00, I'm just going to multiply with this value with a sorry b00. After that I will make addition a10 sorry a01 multiply with b10 plus a02 multiply with b20. Okay, I just want to means that is going to be for the it is going to indicating the first value. Okay, after that it is going to be okay. I'm just making some just write randomly. I'm just going to do one thing. Okay, one second. Control A, Control C, Control V, Control V. Okay, this is nothing but my formula for the matrix multiplication. Okay, let me modify. Okay, for the first row it is going to be multiply with this. For the first row it is going to multiply with this. It is going to be indicating this thing. Okay, a00 with 0 1 1 1, sorry, control Z. With 0 1 it will be multiplying with it is going to be multiply with control z, it is going to be multiply with um 1 1 b 1 1 a of 2 0, it is going to be multiplied with b 2 1. Okay, after that here a 0 0 first row, it is going to be multiplied with the third column containing a first will be 0 2. A 1 0, it will be multiplying with b 1 2. Okay, then a 0 2, it is going to be multiplied with a 2 2. Okay, after that this operation is going to be happen by just removing something by changing the a value or nothing else we are going to do. Rule check. Okay, it is nothing but our 2D matrix multiplication formula. Okay, 2D matrix multiplication formula. The first row was completed. We are going to moving for the second row. Second row containing a 1 0 with b 1 b 0 0, a 1 1, it is going to multiply with here b 1 1 0. Then a 1 2, it is multiplying with b 2 0. Then additionally it will be going to be change something like a 1 0 with b 0 0 with a 1 1 with b 1 1 and a 1 2 with something called b 2 1. Okay, along with it will be also something like that only with okay, it is something. Okay, let me just I can do one thing. I'm just going to do copy. Okay, one. Okay, along with it will be going to be changed. It is going to be changed with the a 2 0 along with means it is going to multiply with b 0 0. After that, it is going to be added with something a 2 1 with b 1 0. Okay, with b 1 0. Okay, after that it will be b a 2 2 multiply with b 2 0. Here I am also going to be change something. I'm just going to change here. This is nothing but our formula. Okay, something formula I am going to write. Nothing else. Don't be think about it much more because it is actually nothing. Literally, it is nothing. Just I'm just doing something called means changing the a position value. Nothing else. Okay. Okay, this is going to be my formula for the matrix multiplication. Let's implement this formula. Okay, what I have to do first means for the matrix, I'm just going to pick the first element. By picking the first row, I'm just multiplying with the second matrix first column along with means whatever the sum I'm going to add. After that, I'm going for the next row, next column, and then next column up to the last column. Okay, let's do this problem by directly into our coding moment. Means we are going to use the Eclipse ID. Let me change the workspace here. Okay, sorry, it is not going to be content. Okay. Okay, now we are in our Eclipse environment where we are just going to write the logic for our nothing but okay, nothing but something like one for the matrix multiplication. This matrix multiplication. I just created a class called as matrix multiplication. Okay, let me create a okay. Let me increase the size. Let me increase the size. Okay, that's fine. Let's get me a main method. Okay, inside our main method, one second. Control S, Control A, Control F. Okay, inside our main method, we are just going to write our logic. Before that, we just want a 2D matrix directly. Okay, let me create a 2D matrix. Okay, I am just going to directly giving the input for the 2D matrix. It is going to be content value 1. Let me do therefore. Okay, let me copy this and just going to modify. Control V, Control V. Okay, it will be going to be one something called as 2D matrix. Okay, I'm just declaring the value directly here. 9. It will be let 8. It will be something 7. Okay. Okay, this is nothing but my 2D matrix here. It is one 2D matrix. Let me create another 2D matrix. It is something named as mat1. Okay, let me get another matrix that is something mat2. Let me just change some value here. Let me make a 2D matrix with some value, randomly value I am going to put here. Okay, okay, fine. It is my two 2D matrix are there. Okay, I am here just going to do the multiplication operation. Okay, let me create a one method, something or mult method. Okay, mul method. Okay, it is going to be a private method. Let's make a static. Why I'm just making static, you already know, because I don't want to make some extra, means extra kind of object. I don't want to create unnecessary object for my for to call this method, because I'm not interested to calling that method by explicitly by using some object I can directly call if the method was going to be static. That's why I just make the static. Okay, public static. Okay, let me here I'm just passing my 2D matrix here. Two 2D matrix I have to pass. Mat1, sorry, and I just want to pass my second 2D matrix, that is nothing but mat2. Okay, after that I just want to return my 2D matrix here directly. Okay, I just want to return the 2D matrix. Let me create a 2D matrix here. Int resultant matrix I am just making as result. I want to, I know that is my matrix having the same rows and column. I can directly do the means directly declare my 2D matrix by giving some value here. Okay, let me here also I am just going to pass the length of the matrix. Okay, okay, it is going to accept the only one kind of matrix having the same length. Okay, I'm just making that kind of matrix multiplication here. Okay, it is going to be new int of length, on the length means I'm just declaring my rows and column here. After that I just want to return my resultant matrix. Okay, that's fine. We will call this method. Before that I am just going to write the logic for here. Logic here, logic for multiplication. Okay, for this multiplication I'm just going to write the logic, that kind of logic. It is going to be something I am just using here, three loops. Okay, one is we going to be why I'm going to use this three loop, I'm just going to show you. For the fast row, fast for loop, it is going to iterating the fast row, and the second for loop is going to something iterating the first column of the next matrix. Okay, and third for loop I am just going to use for the inputting purpose. Okay, I'm just declaring this is the new matrix value or something position 00. This 00 position is going to contain this value. Okay, I'm just going to do. Okay, let me do here. For the first for loop, int I is something started with 0, I less than my length I just given, that's why I'm just going to use directly here. I plus plus length is nothing but length of the matrix. Okay, okay, after that I'm just creating another for loop. Inside the for loop I just declared int j is something started with 0. J is greater than length, because I already told you the length is equal for the all the things, that's why. Means whatever the matrix is going to be passed, the both matrix having same length. Okay. Here I'm just going to declare a sum variable. Why I'm just going to declare a sum variable? Because after I storing this for loop is going to do something, the first row and the first column for the next matrix, and adding the variable into the sum. Because here we are just doing this operation. After multiplication we just add, after that we just added. Okay, means it is something called fast row fast value with fast column of fast value. It is going to be multiply. After that we are going to add it with next row next column next row sorry, next element of the same row and next column of the sorry, next column of the next element of the next column, next element of the same column. Okay, it is something like that kind of operation. Okay, let me do here. I am just declaring here int is equal to sum. After that I am just declaring int k value. K value is started with 0. K is having length, then k plus plus. Okay, here I just want to make sum plus equal to my matrix of, okay, for my matrix a1 of I and matrix of k. It is going to be multiply with my matrix 2 of k of j. It is something. Okay, for this my I value it is representing 0 for the is for the first time. K value it will be going to be changed. Here I am also means I just whatever the logic I written here, 0 0 0 0. Okay, it will be 0 for the first time I equal to 0, but here k is 0. After that it will be 1, it will be 2. Here it is something. Here I am just writing k and with j. K is first time 0, second time 1, 2. For the j value it will be 1, it will be 0. It will be something called as j value. It will be started with 0 in first, for the first time it will be 0. After that it will be going to be changed, and it will be indicating my first column here. Okay, that is something my logic. Okay, I just written here. I after adding this, what I have to do, I have to result, I have to input this value into my resultant matrix. Ifj is equal to my sum. Okay, this is nothing but my matrix multiplication. Let's see the answer by passing the value after that. Okay, let me create a variable here. It is nothing but int n is nothing but mat1 dot length. Okay, let me call the no, call the means multiplication mall of. I have to pass mat1 mat2 along with the length n. Okay, after passing this matrix I want to see what will be my resultant matrix. For that reason I just going to create our one for loop. We already know this logic. It is nothing high tech logic. Okay, don't be think it is a rocket science. Okay, okay, I can just use here n is nothing but my length. J is 0, j less than n, j plus plus system dot out dot. I just after getting after passing it is returning a 2D matrix. Here I'm just declaring a 2D matrix. Okay, integer type matrix result. Okay, it is going to be my resultant matrix. Okay, I just want to print my resultant matrix here. Resultant matrix I of I and j here. After that I just want some. Okay, tab it will be fine. Okay, it is something. Okay, it is having print ln make a print. After that I just want some space for the next line I can do. Okay, let me run this program. Okay, okay, one second. Do this mistake. Sorry. Control. This is nothing but my matrix multiplication. Okay, this is nothing but my matrix multiplication. I am here just declaring 2D matrix. After that I just find the length of the 2D matrix. After that I am just passing here. Okay, this is nothing but my 2D matrix. Okay, whatever the logic I just told you, if I have matrix having length 3, another matrix having length 2. What I have to do? I'm just creating here only. Okay, here I'm just going to do directly. Okay, this comma is not required. Control S. Okay, it will be going to be 3 cos 3. It will be going to be 3 cos 2. Okay, it will be make us row. Let make it column mat 2 dot length. Here I am passing my row along with my column. Okay, I'm just doing this once. I'm just going to modify len 1, after that int len 2. Okay, what I have to do, it will be going to be okay, it is going to be len 1, it is going to be len 2. No, sorry. I'm not going to like that only. For the lane 2, it will be something what? It is nothing going to be something the matrix length. Okay, it is going to be give me something 3 will give. Okay, if I am going to change the row after if I am going to change this row, that's why I'm just going to pass here of 0. That will be fine. Yes, it will going to be work. Okay, 3 cross 2 matrix it will be row, it will be column. Control S. Here just I have to modify, it will be my control J lane 1, it will be going to be my lane 2, lane 2. Okay, let's do this operation. Let's see my resultant value. Okay, this is nothing but my resultant value for this matrix. Okay, we think I just covered much more details about this matrix problems. You can just do this problem by yourself and practice more. You will understand more about this thing. Okay, you can do this operation by doing the multiple matrix multiplication. Okay, this is nothing but our matrix multiplication problem. Make sure to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon.